Hi everyone, welcome to Opal's NZ. In this channel we take rough Australian opal and grind it and polish it and turn it into beautiful gemstones. So yeah, sit back and enjoy. Today we've got a piece of Lambina. It's quite hard to see there, but we'll have a closer look shortly. It's a small piece, but it is I think it's going to make a very pretty little stone. So yeah, let's take a closer look. So this is today's piece. Please excuse my fingernails, I've been working on my motorbike. It's 2.7 carats, so it's going to make a smaller gem, hopefully in the 1 to 2 carat range. And look at that colour, that is very cool. And on this side you can notice it's really got a vertical bar running through it. The vertical bars are quite clean, so it doesn't look like there's much potch running between them. So hopefully it should make a clean and beautiful and interesting little gem. So that's under the different lighting. You can see the oranges are coming through a bit better. You can also see how transparent it is, so it's going to make a very nice crystal, which would be awesome. So without further ado, let's jump on the machine and get this shaped up. It's going to be a nice easy cut today, so enjoy, and yeah, we'll see what we can come up with. Okay, so I'm going to start on the 600 wheel. There's not much to take off of this, so yeah, we'll be going very slowly and trying to salvage as much weight as possible. A nice easy cut. Basically just take off all the sharp edges and shape it. This material was, some of this material was a bit cracky, so I'm hoping this is stable. I'm just shaping it into the rough oval shape that I want. I'm trying to get the most out of the stone, so just taking the sharp edges off and the little bumps here and there, going very slowly. But it's pretty much ready for the dot stick already. There we have it. It's ready for the dot stick. I've actually decided to cut another piece as well. It'll be a bit of a short video. It was just this piece. It's such a straightforward cut. So we'll have a crack at this piece here as well, which is actually a pretty nice bit of darker base, sort of grey base seam opal. So let's have a crack at this as well. So this piece, it's got sort of 2 laminated bars, and one's green at the bottom there and then an oranger one at the top. I'm just deciding which way to face it, and I think I'll go from this side because this side's a bit uneven and it's got a thicker potch layer, so that could make a good backing for the stone, and that orange seems to be more prominent on that top side there.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Cause you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Okie dokie, folks, we are done. And what a beauty! What a little cracker. I polished the back as well. Yeah, what a little beauty. So I'm very happy with that. And those vertical, what I thought was vertical, it's almost like potch lines, but not quite. So it's kind of like a, and the back is really cool too. So yeah, it's definitely a crystal. You can almost, see if we can read through it. Yeah, look at that. Ain't no doubt about it. She's a crystal, all right. And quite a nice brightness. B3, I would say. Not crazy bright, but decent brightness. And almost like a picture stone with those lines in it, but they're not really potch. They're just, I don't know. So yeah, very happy with that. Interesting patterns too. There's a bit of chaff in there. Bit of flash there. So anyway, yeah, very happy with that. I didn't say how much it cost me because it was actually part of a parcel that I bought, and there were a bunch of pieces in there. And I guess this one, I figured it probably owes, it's probably around about $150 as a rough piece. And that was 2.7 carats. And this finished, polished both sides. It's fairly thin, but we would have lost a bit of weight. Oh wow, 1.4 carats. Wow, that's really good. So that's 1.4 carats. It was 1.7 before I did the back, and I was like, oh, I'm going to lose quite a lot. I was happy to get anything over a carat, so 1.4 is fantastic. And yeah, at that cost of $150, I think I've definitely made a bit of money on that one. Even with those funny lines, I think that's a cracking stone, and that will be sort of in the $200 to $300 per carat range, I would say. Nice orange flash there with the blue. Super crystally. And the other piece, the little 35 bucker, didn't face really that well. It's it sort of flashes a bit. I was quite excited at first because it is flagstone pattern. It would have been if it had a face. You can see a flake of colour in this corner here. I get it in the right angle, but it's very directional. Yeah, there you can see it. So I was quite excited to have a little flagstone, but that's very dull. I mean, that's a B. It's probably a B2. It's not maybe a B1.5. So, yeah. I'll get my money back on it. Maybe $50, something like that. So, yeah. But that is just cool. Very cool. I don't know what kind of pattern. If you guys know what sort of pattern that is, let me know in the comments below. Also, let me know what sort of videos. This one's a bit shorter. Do you like the shorter format? And do you like the longer format? Do you like to see the all of the different wheels through the process, or do you prefer to just see the rubbing out and then the finished stones? Yeah, we'll play around and try different styles and formats. So yeah, like, subscribe, and we will see you next time.